Hey, it's Riaz Meghji, founder of the Every Conversation Counts platform and 17-year television broadcaster. This is the channel that helps you build extraordinary relationships, ask the questions that create breakthrough moments, and become a captivating storyteller that connects on every stage. Now, how many times have you caught yourself telling what you believe to be the greatest story ever, only to realize that your audience tuned you out 10 minutes earlier? Awkward. Storytelling is one of the most important skills for leading a successful life. You can teach a lesson, inspire commitment, and even ace that job interview for your dream gig. Our storytelling ability is the difference between simply communicating and establishing powerful human connection. In any speech, presentation, or pivotal conversation, if you want to capture your audience's attention, start with story. I would see this all the time interviewing experts, leaders, athletes, and celebrities. The big challenge though, how can you successfully reveal a part of yourself and draw people closer to you at the exact same time? Well, follow these 5 ideas. Before you even begin, ask yourself, what is the purpose of your story? Is it to inform, persuade, enlighten, maybe even entertain? Every good story starts with framing a problem that needs solving. And consider this, what does your audience care about right now? Clarify your purpose with a narrative that speaks to their priorities. And when you're doing this, keep in mind emotion is everything. In memorable interviews, I consistently see that the most impactful stories were not only fueled by emotion, but they also had 4 key ingredients: hope, help, heart, and humor. John Maxwell outlines these 4 in one of my favorite books of all time, Everyone Communicates, Few Connect. If you can deliver on one of these, you'll make an impression. If you deliver on all 4, your audience will never forget you. Number 2, great stories tell the truth in interesting ways. Opening with an unexpected truth or a secret is a great hook off the top, as it creates a sense of intrigue for your audience. Secrets provide motivation and plot twists that may need to be protected or defended. And let's be honest, everybody is captivated by a powerful personal reveal. It's important to read the room though and make sure your audience is ready to receive this degree of personal information. As a bonus tip, it's also beneficial to choose a secret with a silver lining, because it sets up a change or transformation. Now, if I were to say and start my story by saying, last month I received an email I was never supposed to see, chances are you're going to start wondering, well, what did it say and are you okay? Begin with the truth or best secret from your story, and you will have your audience asking the most important question: what happened next? Number 3, speak to their senses. Our brains absorb stories as if we are experiencing them ourselves. And an effective way to tap into this idea is, speak to the audience's senses. When you walked into the room, what did you see, hear, smell, touch, taste? You want the audience to experience your words, and these details draw them right into the scene with you. The more detail you can give, the more invested they will become in your plot. Number 4, share your transformation. The best stories deliver a transformational truth. You've probably heard of the story structure to have a beginning, middle, and end, which is essentially a hook, development, and climax. This is a valuable baseline to start with, yet if you want to capture and keep their attention, consider following this framework: struggle, conflict, and then resolution. Struggle. If people are going to cheer for your success, they need to relate to your struggle first. So tell them, what did your life look like when you were losing? The realer you can be here, the better. When you couldn't pay your bills, when your relationship fell apart, or when you lost your job. Everyone loves to root for an underdog, so describe that range of emotion you experienced behind the struggle and then draw them in. The conflict. What was the roadblock you encountered? And really dive into the challenge you were up against. This is your chance to build suspense and set up a cliffhanger. Was it physical conflict, an emotional dilemma? Tell them what was at stake. And then finally, resolution. Until now, your buildup may have created mystery and unpredictability. Your resolution or moment of transformation, that's the big reveal. Maybe you saved a life, saved your company, or reconciled with a loved one. Describe the moment where you overcame adversity and explain how this changed you. The key to this point is delivering a tangible takeaway, as the entire time your audience will be asking, what's in it for them. And your job is to articulate the lesson learned and give them the meaning behind it. Final point, getting personal with your storytelling can be an effective way to connect with someone. But consider this, convey credibility before vulnerability. If you're going to present something raw and personal, you need to make sure you've proven your worth first. In psychology, there's a concept known as the pratfall effect. This is important because how your audience responds to your openness really depends on how they perceive you beforehand. So if you have conveyed credibility and strength and then show your vulnerability, you will draw people closer. However, on the flip side, if people are already questioning your competence, well, your personal reveal might actually fall flat and they may just perceive you as a big, hot mess. Earn their respect before anything else, and your storytelling skills will help you to connect with everyone you meet. Now it's your turn. In the comment section below, share your best storytelling tip. Would love to learn how you captivate others. For more ideas on building human connection, you can download the free guide, The 5 Secrets to Making Every Conversation Count, and that link is in the description below. Thanks for watching this video. For more ideas on how you can have better conversations and become a better listener, check out these videos. If you liked this one, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and feel free to share the content. We'll see you in the next video.